just kill himself because his boyfriend say he no want again. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you never subscribe, my darling people, I beg may you subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people. This matter, the thing shockalize me like seriously. Sometimes wetin come dey happen for inside this abole of social media, me I no come understand. My darling people, when this video when I see just now, the thing just structuralize me. This girl no even reason I say how e mama now go come dey feel or how e papa go dey feel. This girl just go Kpeme himself go take snapper because say e boyfriend tell am say he no want again. Wetin come dey happen? Now only the guy come be the guy wey dey this world. Wey be say you go come Kpeme yourself because of man. Now wow, not when Musa no go see for gate. Not when person no go see for social media. This one when me I see just now, it shockalize me, my darling people. It shocked me say a young girl, just go Kpeme himself because of man. Say because say that he first love now the guy now in this virgin her because of that one now this girl Kpeme himself. Like seriously, no man what to die for. No woman too what to die for. Yeah. What I want come die for because say man tell me say no want again. She be now only one come be the man where did this word. Okay, they make two of us together. Where be say he will come say no want again because of that one. I'll say I can't take this. I can't go take snapper. I don't go even think how my mama go feed nothing or my papa. I'll just go Kpeme myself. Who the guy be? You not be that guy who gets more head like what I don't know. Now you go Kpeme yourself for my darling people. When me I see the guy just now, the thing even shockalize me. Like seriously, I said the thing shocked me just now. I say I see this video, I not feel be around. I not go fit put the video for here because the girl, the video, if you don't want and share, I feel said that for una, but for me, I not fit put the video for her. I beg, wanna use this video to advise una sisters or una brothers where they fall in love like Mumu. Romeo and Juliet, so what did they see inside? When you can go Kpeme yourself because say the guy tell you say you no want again. Who does that? Who does that? If you reach air fire, as you just die, so now air fire direct, now you they go, my dear. Because God don't go open gates for you. Because to even Kpeme yourself alone, self now you don't even commit number one sin be that one. How you Kpeme yourself because of man? Okay, that guy and I should be can't deal with that woman. Even today when you die, so that boy just that give with that girl don't do like third rank, sis. You go Kpeme yourself because say guy tell you say no want again. Who the guy help? Which guy what time when me Lady J go die for? Who does that? Even my own husband when me I love past any other thing, I not go die. If may God don't let something happen say he said tomorrow, I not go die, my dear. What I want die for? What I want die for? If I die now, he now go to enjoy himself. What me you can't tell Baba God forever? I'll say I love that he carry me come. Like seriously. Sometimes I dey wonder for the way some people they take action. I dey wonder. Why you go take snapper because say man tell you say no want again? What did this word they turn into now? No, my people, what did this word they turn into? When a get Kpeme himself because a man tell and say he no want again. Hey, nothing when Musa no go see forget to my darling people. I said they look that girl dead body just now. If they do me say make I give and slap. When you go Kpeme yourself, how person go take talk this one? How your mama go feel your papa? How they go feel? Say they are picking Kpeme himself because of man. Who does that? Who does that? Who what harm for this life? Where person go die? Who what harm? My people, the thing shockalize me. This girl not just do away at all. The thing they provoke me as I they do this video so. Just go take snapper. because a man tell you say no want again. Ah, my darling people, this one shock me, sha. If una want the video, sha, I feel say that for una, but for me, I no fit put the video for YouTube. YouTube no go gree that kind thing. My darling people, I beg. Anything we una think about this video, una leave una comment, oh, I beg. And more, if una get any sister or brother where they fall in love like this, una share this video, go give am. And no man want to die for, no woman want to die for, na me talk am. And I'm a full month I take talk am. Who does that? I will die because of man. Who the man help? Only John Thomas come to this world. When you can't go take snapper because of man. God forbid bad to me. God not let me go back. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Please share me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Thank you. Bye.